Hi guys!
Hi guys, so we are getting ready now because we will have our dinner date together with Kuya Tyler because it's his
Birthday tomorrow and
birthday
he will be
tomorrow.
turning 18 years old now. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness, Carol, we're getting older.
you are getting older.
So join us
Joke.
as we celebrate our simple dinner date with Kuya Tyler. See you there! Actually guys, nauna ko palagi bababa kasi pinapalamig ko pa yung sasakyan kasi sobrang init po talaga dito. Kaya bago bababa si Carol at saka si Kuya Tyler, pinapalamig ko na. So nasa loob na ako ng sasakyan guys, and still medyo mainit pa talaga. So usually after 5 minutes or 10 minutes saka pa bababa si Carol at si Tyler. Enjoy na.
You don't want that? Daddy, nalabay ko
Gusto mo? We are here in the location guys, pero medyo nakakahiya naman mag-ingay kami nito, no? Basically, we're enjoying the food here. Masarap naman siya. So, sulit na. So, busog na guys. Basically, ang offer nila for dinner tonight, may dalawang klase ng rice, may pasta, no? May yung white sauce at saka may pansit sila. Tapos 5 po yung main course nila. Then sa mga salad, variety naman po yung mga salads nila. Fruits, meron din, may soup din, dalawang klaseng soup. At saka may mga dessert din sila. Okay?
dessert and may mga beds.
Yes. So we just finished the dinner guys. Basically tapos na magpanihapon guys. We just finished our dinner. Busog na. So we're waiting in the lobby sa sasakyan. Nakabalay kasi ang sasakyan. Drop by kami dito sa gasoline station at the same time nag-withdraw si Carol at saka si Kuya Tyler. Hi Mai! Just arrived home, so mag-wine daw kami ni Carol kasi medyo maraming nakain na ano. Ayan, mag-Carlo Rossi tayo ngayon. So maraming nakaing beef. Cheers guys! So thank you for watching. God bless us all.
Bye!